Hi, Michelle here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract all TikTok videos from a chosen tag on tiktok.com/discover page. This actor lets you scrape authors, text, and music metadata. It also pulls engagement sets like plays, shares, likes, and comments. Plus, you can grab extras like music details, create time, URLs, and a bunch more. But first, let's talk about why anyone would want to scrape this kind of data. Think about it. You're a content creator racing to catch trends, a social media manager plotting viral campaigns, or a brand hunting for new ideas. On TikTok, timing's key. To make viral content, you've got to know what's hot now and jump on it before it's all news. Scrolling TikTok by hand eats up time. And by the time you catch a trend, it's probably outdated. That's why TikTok Discover Scraper is so handy. It grabs public data on trending videos, hashtags, and creators for you. So you can spot patterns, get inspired, and make content that actually clicks with your audience. Want the latest challenges, trending audio, or viral formats? This tool gives you a clean way to break down what's popping on TikTok. No more guessing. You'll get real-time insights to shape your content strategy. Now, let's see it in action. To do this, we're going to be using the ready-made TikTok Discover Scraper from Apify store. First, head to the link in the description, which takes you to the TikTok Discover Scraper README. Click on Try for free, which will send you to the login page and you can get started with a free Apify account. Don't worry, it's free and no credit card will be required. After logging in, you'll land on the actor's input page. While you can configure this through either the intuitive UI or JSON, we'll stick with the UI option to keep it easy. First, you'll have to input the hashtag that you want to scrape. You can add more via the Add button, or you can edit them in bulk. Next, you can limit how many posts you want to scrape, and that's it. You will also have the option to download scraped videos. Under this tab, you can toggle if you want to include videos, thumbnails, subtitles, or download slideshow images. Before running your actor, it's a great idea to save your configuration and create a task. This will come in handy for scheduling or integrating your actor with other tools, or if you plan to work with multiple configurations. Now that we have the input, let's run the actor by hitting Start. You can watch your results appear in Overview or switch to the Log tab to see more details about the run. Now that your run is finished, we can get the data via the Export button. You can choose the right format for you and select which fields you want to include or exclude in your dataset. Then, just hit Download and you have your dataset file. Let me show you what this looks like in JSON format. If you want to automate your workflow even further, you can schedule your actor to run at regular intervals. Choose your task and hit Schedule. You can set the frequency of how often you want to run the actor. You can even connect your scraper to other cloud services, such as Google Drive, Zapier, or any other Apify actor. You can also run the scraper locally via the API. You can find the code in Node.js, Python, or curl in the API drop-down menu in the top right corner. To learn more about retrieving data programmatically, check out our video on the subject. Are you more into scraping profiles, comments, or posts? We got other TikTok scrapers for that. Check them out below. Or if you're a video tutorial fan, we've got a full playlist on TikTok scrapers. Links in the description. And that's all for today. Let us know what you think about the TikTok Discover Scraper. Remember, if you come across any issues, make sure to report them to our team in Apify Console. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell to stay notified about future content. So long, and thanks for all the likes.